This Premier Realty Grays Harbor property video is presented by Karen Spangler. This is the grand home that you've been dreaming of. The large mudroom/entrance ushers you into a large home. Wood floors are freshly stained, duct work has been completely replaced for the best efficiency of the gas furnace, and a new gas water heater has been installed. So much of the major work has been done, it's time to move in and make it your own. Kitchen has potential for a pantry and a cozy breakfast nook. Primary bedroom downstairs has a walk-in closet, access to the back deck and the full bathroom with jetted tub. Upstairs you will find 4 bedrooms or potential office spaces with plenty of light. The back bedroom used to be a studio suite and plumbing has been left to retain potential. You've got to walk through this home. For more information, review the details below or contact Karen Spangler at 360-589-8073.